My name is P. Saktivel, Assistant Professor of English, Government College of Engineering, Salem. In this video, I am going to explain how to write official letter. An official letter, also known as a formal letter, is a document professionally written for another company or business professional. So there are two types of letters. One is formal letter, another one is informal letter. Formal letter is known as official letter. So it is written for official purposes. One company can write the official letter to another company. The employees who are working in the company can write the official letter for higher officials. They can be used when applying for jobs, issuing complaint, expressing interest in a job position, or thanking someone. Official letters can be written for various purposes such as seeking permission, issuing complaint, expressing interest in a job, applying for job, so etc. Official letters are often written using simple and direct sentences with a formal greeting and signature included. Official letter can be written in a simple language and direct sentences. So the language should be very simple and formal. Respective language should be used in formal letter. The tone is very important. Formal tone can be used in official letter. Writing an official letter typically requires following very structured and specific format. The format should be very formal and structured. Example, letter seeking permission for industrial visit. The following format should be used in letter seeking permission for industrial visit. The format is from, to, salutation, subject, body of the letter, that is paragraphs, signature, name in uppercase, place and date. At first, from, so you have to write your from address, then you have to mention the receiver's address, that is to address. Salutation can be written as dear sir, respected sir, etc. Subject can be mentioned in one line, seeking permission for industrial visit regarding. So in this way we can write the subject. Paragraphs, that is body of the letter. Body of the letter can be written in 3 paragraphs. So the following points should be remembered while writing the body of the letter for seeking permission for industrial visit. Look at the first point. Introduce yourself and state the reason for writing the letter. At first you have to introduce yourself and reason for writing the letter. On behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering, I am writing this letter to seek permission to. This can be apt phrase which will be used in the first paragraph. Explain the need for industrial visit. Next you have to explain the need for the industrial visit. Identify the area that you would like to be trained in and how it will be helpful to you. So next point you have to mention the area in which you are going to get the training in the industrial visit. Next point, request permission. Give details about the number of students, days and the month. So you have to request, you have to ask permission, then you have to mention the number of students, how many days you are going for an industrial visit, the month, etc. Next point, assure them of observing the code of conduct for trainees. So you have to mention the code of conduct for the trainees. Next point, submit the details about bona fide certificate from the institution. Then put your signature, name in uppercase. So you have to write your name in a capital letter. Finally you have to mention the place and date. So look at the sample. Permission letter for industrial visit from Dr. M. James, Head of the Department, Mechanical Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Salem 11. Next, receiver's address, Mr. K. Jones, Industrial Manager, JPK Group of Industries, Chennai 600011. Next, salutation. Dear Sir, subject seeking permission for industrial visit regarding. First paragraph, I am writing this letter to seek your permission to visit your industry based in New Industrial Area, Chennai on the 5th February 2020. We have planned this industry visit for our industrial management students in order to give them an insight about the way production processes are carried out in the real life scenario. So this is a first paragraph. In this way you have to write the first paragraph. Look at the second paragraph. There would be a total of 50 students accompanied by a faculty member from our college. The visit is aimed at enhancing their knowledge. We intend to our students on a complete tour of the factory and to show them the tasks handled in different departments. I hope you will provide us the opportunity to visit your industry and meet your skilled staff. Could you please let us know the formalities we have to follow once we receive your acceptance of our request. Final paragraph, we would be happy to submit the benefit certificate in person and assure you that our students would observe discipline and decorum during the visit. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Then complimentary close, yours sincerely, put your signature, name in capital letter, Dr. M. James, place Salem, date 12/11/2020. So this is an sample for industrial visit. Sample 2, letter of invitation. At first, look at the format: from, to address, salutation, subject, paragraphs are body of the letter, thank you, signature, name in uppercase, place and date. This is the format which can be followed in letter of invitation. From address, you have to mention your full address. To address, receiver's address. Salutation, dear sir, respected sir, etc. Subject, mention the subject in one line. Then body of the letter. Look at the points. First point, state why this letter is being written on whose behalf. So you can write, I am writing this letter to. So this is an apt phrase which can be used. Introduce your institution and give overall details about the function or event. Next, you have to introduce your institution and you have to mention about the function for which you are inviting the person. Next, restate the invitation, giving reasons as to why you want to invite him or her. We are happy to invite you. So this is a phrase which can be used. Details about the role of the guest, speech, topic, etc. So mention the role of the guest, in which topic he is going to give a lecture. So you have to mention it. Details about the date, venue and the time. So mention the details about accommodation and travel. For example, we will be happy to accommodate and take care of your travel arrangements on confirmation. This is the phrase which we can use it. Request acceptance. We humbly request you to accept the invitation. Next point, express gratitude in anticipation. We would be grateful if you could accept our invitation of confirmation with a letter. Next, thank you, signature, write your name in capital letter, place and date. So look at the sample. From V. Kumar, Department of Business Studies, Kongu College of Arts and Science, Namakkal. To address, the register, Periyar University, Salem 11. Salutation, respected sir. Subject, invitation for a seminar on customer relationship management regarding. I am writing this letter on behalf of the Department of Business Studies of the institution to invite you to be the chief guest and to deliver a keynote address at a seminar being organized in the institution. So this is the first paragraph. Look at the second paragraph. Kongu College of Arts and Science is a premier institution in Tamil Nadu and offers an innovation course in business studies in its syllabus. The Department of Management Studies organizes a seminar on customer relationship management on 26 July 2020. The seminar will gather eminent speakers and scholars engaged in the management of customer relations. We would like to use this opportunity to invite you to participate in the seminar as a keynote speaker for the inaugural function to be held on 26 July 2020 at 11 a.m. in the college auditorium. So this is the second paragraph. Next, final paragraph. It would be our great honor for us if you could accept our invitation. We believe that you could provide an enriching experience for all the participants, since the seminar intends to provide a platform for exchange of best practices in the implementation of referred system. We would be happy to take care of the travel plans and your accommodation and the acceptance of the invitation. We eagerly await your participation in the seminar. So in this way you can conclude the letter. Then thank you. Yours faithfully. Put your signature. So write your name in capital letter. V. Kumar. Place Namakkal. Date 26/2020. Thank you very much for watching this video.